I didn't grow up speaking Spanish. I actually learned it as an adult. Yep, just like many of you are doing so as well. So if you've ever thought, oh, learning a new language is just too hard or I'm too old for this, trust me, I've been there. Hola amigos, I'm Allison, your compañera in this amazing journey of learning Spanish. And here I am, still working on it, but I'm getting there. Years have passed, but speaking Spanish like a pro and being fully immersed in the culture has been an amazing journey. And today, I'm going to share with you how I really did it and how fun it was, what was easy, and it's going to be sin complicaciones, without any complications. Okay, first, let me tell you, learning Spanish as an adult doesn't have to be boring nor overwhelming. I started with things that I really love, like music. So back in the days, I would listen to like super fun singers like Selena, obviously, and read the lyrics on the back of the CD. And then there's always Luis Miguel, listening to his sounds, following the lyrics, learning new words, and practicing my pronunciation. That's how I would do it. And of course, when I really got to learn the songs, I would sing them at the top of my lungs. Oh, yes. Okay, so that's music. When it came to TV shows, to really get immersed in the culture, I would go, yes, straight on to El Chavo del Ocho. Sounds a little bit childish, but you know what? It helped me to pick up everyday phrases, slangs, and I would certainly understand when Mexicans would be talking. And when my favorite character, like you know who, Don Ramon would come on, I would just love him. Picked it up really quickly. So I tried to be a little bit serious about it, tried to be an adult. And yes, I would try to watch CNN in Spanish. Ooh, wow. At first, terrible, super hard. But you know what? I started writing down those words that were difficult to understand, looking them up in the dictionary. And little by little, I was able to watch the news. I wouldn't do it that often, but every time I would try to do it, I would pick up something new. Something else that I always did was that I never walked around without a notebook, writing stuff down as quick as possible and referring to those notes in order to help me to build my vocabulary. It's all about consistency. Reading, I would do so 15 minutes a day, keeping it, practicing it as much as possible would help me. Escuchar, listening to music, viendo mis películas favoritas, watching my favorite movies, little by little, in small chunks, it would certainly and definitely help me. And you know what? I'm still doing it down to this day. And I learn something every single day. So if you really want to try this, don't give up. Little by little, read a book, try to find new words. And it's easier now because we have technology. And with technology, everything is just so much easier. I wish I had that when I was learning Spanish back in the days. But you know what? It's a never ending process of learning, and you're going to learn something every day. The good thing about it is that we have what we call Spanish 55. And with Spanish 55, we have excellent tutors who can give you one-on-one help. Sign up as soon as possible. And you can get in touch with one of our tutors in order to have a trial lesson to see if you would like to do this. And yes, I know that you definitely will. So try it out. Also, if you want to continue watching videos like this, hit the subscribe button below. Okay, I hope you liked this video. Hasta pronto. Hope to see you soon.